Hello beautiful people, it's 5 p.m. Just arrived at the studio. Late start today. I'm just getting prepped out with one client. I've spent the day doing all sorts of things. One of which visiting a potential new studio space. Another of which doing a lot of paperwork that pertains to potentially a new studio space. So you know what's on the horizon. Potentially a new studio. And by potentially I mean there will very much be a new studio. I'm just not sure when quite yet. Or any of those such details, but we will get into that in a different video, and a video entirely of its own. In the meantime, I will do nails, and they will be beautiful. All one can ask for. Hello, it's me again. Are you surprised? I am just getting ready for my first and only appointment today. I have one appointment, mystery mani. Very nice. I'm going to use some new products. I can't wait. Gel X mystery mani too, which I don't often get. So I have all that extra nail to work with, which is very fun. And then after that appointment, I am headed to a studio space that I am potentially putting an offer to lease on. I need to do some measuring and see where they could insert a sink for me, if possible. So I'm gonna do that, and then after that I'm going to go see Charlotte for her massage. Very needed, because I don't think I've relaxed in at least a week. Yeah, at least. So I feel like my entire body is wound up in a little knot. Best of luck to you, Charlotte. And that's it. That's it for today. And then tomorrow I have 2 appointments. I'm going to go check out another studio space. And then I have a Canada Goose event. Canada Goose Maker. I keep saying maker. Canada Goose Makeway event, which will be fun. Pat and I are going to go to that. Yeah, that's about it. I'm like trying to find the balance of like not being stressed all the time. And that's it. I'm just trying to not be stressed. That's the balance. Normal living and being stressed. There can be a healthy amount of stress, but I don't think the amounts of stress that I'm currently dealing with are very healthy. Hello. I'm just waiting for my first client to arrive, who's actually a friend. I haven't done her nails in a while, so this will be fun, doing her birthday nails. But I have a very full day. My next appointment's a mystery mani, and I'm going heavy on the airbrush. So I'm just trying to quickly prep my stencil files. It's a gorgeous day outside. Can't see if you can tell, which I wish I was outside laying in the wilderness. Not actually. Park bench would be nice. But yeah, no, I am prepping stencils. I'm getting ready for my appointments of the day. I have the next 2 days quite busy. Today, open to close, 10 a.m. to 9 p.m. Tomorrow, same thing. So, full days, lots of coffee to be had. Hello, happy Saturday. I'm sick, which sucks. I was supposed to have 3 appointments today, but I'm down to 1 because I let my clients know that I have a runny nose and give them the option to obviously not come in. One of them is still coming. We're gonna mask up, get those nails done. Look, it looks like I have cat ears. Anyways, I wanted to show you my new coat. It's a Canada Goose X Kids Super, no, it's Kids Studio. Wait, I'm confused. Kids Super Studio. Okay, I knew there was a studio somewhere in there. XNBA. This is so nice. It's reversible to just like a solid black nylon. But obviously I like it this way. And I'm gonna do a set of nails inspired by this jacket because it's so cool. And I think the nails would be really, really cool. Anyways, I went to a Canada Goose event the other night and got this guy. So I just wanted to show you guys because I love it. And it's really warm. It's 63% wool, which I didn't realize that they're like Sherpa jackets were wool, or like a good chunk, so that's great. My one client that is coming in today is in for a mystery mani. So what I'm gonna do for her is some cute lace nails. Ooh, breaking my table. I did a set of press-ons the other day for one of my clients, and I did these lace nails. I'm really into them and really want to do them. And this client today is getting an extension, so I think it'll give us some good space because otherwise she has teeny tiny nails. So it'll give us some good space to do these lace nails. So I'm excited about that. And I think she's gonna really like them. And they're kind of like a little bit sexy Valentine's Day vibes. So love that. Aside from that, I ended up starting a bit earlier today, and I'm going to end a bit earlier as well. So I'm just going to go home and rest because actually tomorrow's my nephew's first birthday party. And I want to make sure I feel better for that tomorrow. So I've been taking all the vitamins. You guys saw me open this yesterday, but how sweet. My client brought me my favorite blind boxes, which are skull pandas. That's like all the little cuties that I have around my studio. Those are all, that's sunny, all little skull pandas. I have them kind of everywhere. This one over here. Got some in with the coffee. Look how cute. Anyways, she brought me one of those and she was just like, happy Christmas, happy Valentine's Day. I love it. She's coming to the new studio with me, which there is a new studio. We'll talk about that more. But there is a new studio. Also, for someone who's sick, I'm sure doing a lot of video stuff. Just got a little parcel, a restock. Upgrade tips. Just ordered some restock bags. I tried to order like a whole box of natural stilettos in medium because I was out of a lot of sizes, or like getting slim on a lot of sizes, but unfortunately for me, they were all sold out of that. So I'm just gonna go through, make sure everyone's here. All accounted for. Good morning. It's 9:30. My first client is in at, oh, I'm very close. Hang on. I'll just sit and talk to you for a minute. Unfortunately, I have a headache at the moment, which isn't too enjoyable. And also, I had a bit of the sniffles a few days ago, and I'm feeling much better, but my ears are plugged, which also isn't very enjoyable. So there's that. But no, today's a good day. I'm working today and then I'm off tomorrow for Valentine's Day. It is also Pat and my anniversary. We celebrate on Valentine's Day. It's our 11-year anniversary. So we have some fun plans for tomorrow, or like not yet plans, but going to be plans. I think we're gonna go to Pacific Mall, which will be fun during the day. Go for brunch first, Pacific Mall. And then Pat bought Raptors tickets for us, which is what we do on a lot of occasions. We get good tickets and go watch the Raptors play. So we're looking forward to that. Yeah, we went last year for our anniversary as well, and we had a really, really good time. The only thing that sucks is it's gonna be cold out tomorrow, so I can't really wear too cute of an outfit because I only own like 3 pairs of pants. So I wanted to wear like a little skirt or something, but you know, what can you do? Hello, good morning. Just waiting for my first client of the day to arrive. I have 2 clients today. Quite tired today. We went to the Raptors game last night because it was Pat and my anniversary. Hang on, I'm gonna move you up a bit. And it was so fun. The game was like the Raptors lost by like 2 points. It was really good. Yeah, I have 1 appointment this morning, and then I have an osteo appointment for myself. And then I have another appointment this evening. So I'm gonna drink a coffee. My client will be here in a couple minutes. We'll get a move on. Good morning. I didn't update you guys yesterday. I only ended up having the first appointment of the day because the second appointment ended up canceling. Oh, I need to take my garbage out. Shit, I can't wait to go on my jacket. Anyways, second appointment ended up canceling. So I only had the one appointment, and then I went to my osteo for a treatment. Just worked on my elbows and my shoulders. I have 2 appointments in today. My first one being a mystery mani, which I'm quite excited about. I'm gonna do some airbrushing, so I need to make some stencils. I also need to put away all my clean tools, and something else I want to do. Oh, I have to send a new client some pictures of some swatches because she has some specific ideas in mind. And if I don't have the colors she wants to order them. So gonna do that. Also listening to new Beyonce. As soon as the new Beyonce music came out, I was like, this is giving daddy lessons, and I'm absolutely here for it because as much as I love Renaissance, it's not entirely my vibe. Lemonade was, I would say, more my vibe. So I'm very excited for Act 2 because so far, I just want to dance my little heart out. Happy Saturday. I have a busy day today. 3 clients. I'm looking at myself, not at the camera. Because I just got this new, or actually it's not new. I bought it last year. This is only the second time that I'm wearing it. But this lip color, it's a, let me find it quick. It's by Romand. And it is a juicy lasting tint, so it goes on like a little bit, like definitely tint vibes, but it goes on a bit glossy, and then as it fades out it just leaves you tinted, which is really fun. And then I just got this new hat from Stussy, and I'm feeling extra cute and colorful, so I was like, let me pair this with a bright lip, or brightish lip, and here we are, looking very colorful. So like I said, 3 appointments today. The first one, tier 1. The second one, solid color. The third one, tier 2. It's gonna be a cute day. First one I'm excited is airbrush chain, like on my nails. And then solid color, obviously. Solid color, we'll see what she wants. And then the third one, I think we're doing some cat stickers, which I love some cat stickers. It's so funny because I have like cat decor all over my studio. And I love cats. I'm very much allergic to them though, and I'm very much a dog person, but I love cat things, like cat memorabilia. So I have a lot of cat stuff. I do think that cat stuff is oftentimes a lot cuter than dog stuff. No offense to dog stuff, but take my cat lamp, for example.